Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to do a very simple and quick hairstyle. So it's a half up half down hairstyle. It's very easy. All you want to do is make a section from your sideburns or at the tip of your hair all the way up to your crown like this. So you want to make sure both index fingers touch each other at the top, at your crown. Let me show you what I mean. So this is basically what we're trying to do. Get half of your hair. So that again, I'm going to slide my index finger all the way up to the top of my crown. So you can see my fingers right there. And lift my hair up like this. You can use your comb to just get the top smooth. I have a little rubber band that I'm going to use to tie the top. So take your time and you can tie the top. Right, so I have my little ponytail to the top here. What I'm going to do now is just try to get my little flyaways nice and neat. So I'll use my weightless hairspray. Like that. Okay, so once you have the top here nice and neat, you can now tighten by pulling your hair like this. And if you want to create a little bit more volume right here, you can split your little ponytail in half like this. And you can use your comb and back comb just a little, very gently. Drop it. Then you're going to do the same. Gently. And then you do the same to this piece. Gently. Right. So I have some volume, and again, gently take your comb and get the top portion nice and smooth. And you can give your hair a little spray. And at this point, if any of your curls came out of place or lost their shape, you can do a really quick curl. You can do some quick curls over here as well at the bottom if you want to. There we go. break up your curls too if you want to. Very simple hairstyle. Thanks for watching, guys.